guys, what's going on? During this video, I'm going to talk about N-Acetyl L-Cysteine. I purchased this from Nootropics Depot, and I've tried a few cycles on it. Right now, I would rate it maybe 4 out of 10. It hasn't done much for me. I'll just show you what it looks like. You can see it's like a powder. I would recommend you start off with a dose of like 500 milligrams twice per day, and it doesn't really matter whether you buy it in the powdered form or encapsulated because it doesn't taste all that bad. But what it's used for, it's an amino acid. It's used to help pretty much just make everything else work better. So if you're taking the racetams and you're not noticing them really doing much, this is something where you can take and it may sort of have that synergistic effect of making everything work better. It really caught my interest because of some studies which show that it helped lower addictive behavior. So if you're somebody that, for example, you have an issue with like binge eating, or if you're a drinker, right, or any sort of bad habit that you just have like that root in your brain, this can really help to fight that off. So that's what's intrigued me about it. Again, I'm gonna give it another shot, but I would rate it in that class of things which I personally notice just not make any difference. Some people may notice a benefit, some people don't, but I'm already somebody that takes so many nootropics that I'm not looking to add things to my stack if I really don't notice any benefit whatsoever. And let's give it a shot. Again, right now I'd rate it 4 out of 10, but I'm gonna get on it for a couple months and just see how it goes. And a good place to start again is like 500 milligrams, ideally like 3-4 hours after you wake up, and then another 3-4 hours after that. And do give it a shot. Don't just think like maybe weekdays on or weekdays off. I would say if you are to go on it, try it for a good like 30 days and then do an evaluation of it. You know, look at objective measurements, right? If you're a student, how are your grades? If you're in business, how's your income? And then, you know, you can make the evaluation from there. This stuff's very, very inexpensive, but yeah, go check it out. That's N-Acetyl L-Cysteine, and hope that was helpful, and I'll see you guys next time.